Rashmi from Best of Beauty. So I recently went to Sephora and Muji as well. So I'm going to show you what I got, and these things are really exciting. So yeah, let's get started. So let's first start off with Sephora. As you can see, I have a small bag because I didn't purchase a lot of things because Sephora is really expensive. So firstly, let's start off with this, which is not quite exciting. But I picked this up. This is basically those cotton pads that you use to take off your makeup. And yeah, focus. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. And I really like these cotton pads, so I picked these up. So the second thing that I got from Sephora is a backup, and this is the Benefit Professional, and this is what it looks like. So I've been using this thing for 2 years now, and I needed a backup. And yeah, this quantity actually is a lot. So if you just go for this size, it's going to suffice you for like maybe a year, maybe 2 years. So that's why I bought one of these, because the size is just perfect, and you can travel with this as well, and that's why I got one of these. So the next thing that I picked up is actually for my mom, and this is the Sephora Lindsay mask. I can't pronounce that, but this is for anti-aging and smoothing, and this is what the mask looks like. So I got this for my mom to try, and yeah, because these masks are really expensive. These are for 430 rupees and you only get one mask. So I only got one. So let's see how this goes. And the last purchase is pretty exciting because I've been wanting this for a really long time. But whenever I just go to the store, I'm like, it's too expensive. I'm not gonna buy it. And yeah, I finally got it. So this is the Dior Addict Lip Glow, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is basically a lip balm, and this is a very expensive lip balm, but I wanted to try this really badly because I tried it in the store and it makes your lips look so good. So basically this is a color awakening lip balm. So this lip balm doesn't have a lot of color in itself, but once you apply it on your lips, it actually enhances the color of your natural lips, which I really like. And I'm just going to wear this on a day-to-day basis because it moisturizes my lips so well and it makes my lips look so pink. So that's why I love this. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's super cute. Yeah, I have my specs and I can't see if it's focusing. So this is how it looks like. It's a nice pink packaging, and then once you open this up, you have the product inside. So I really love this. So those were all the things that I got from Sephora, and the next shop that I went to was actually Muji. So many people were really excited about this brand coming to India, and I've never heard about this brand before. So I really wanted to go and see what this brand is all about. And once I entered, I fell in love with this brand, and I'm going to visit this store really often. So this basically has a lot of stationery stuff, then office supplies, then home supplies as well. And it's surprisingly not that expensive. So I bought a bunch of things and I was really excited. So I'm just going to share it with you guys, and let's get started. So yeah, this is how the bag looks like. I think I got more stuff from Muji rather than Sephora. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's a Japanese brand. I'm just going to show you what things that I got, and these are really exciting. And if you're a stationery lover, you're going to love this. So the first thing that I got is pretty basic, and it's a notebook, and it's a black notebook. And the thing that I love about this is it is blank. I love to write on blank pages because it makes my handwriting look really nice. So I've kept this for my Best of Beauty things. So yeah, I love this. So the next thing that I got are pens. Now even though I own a lot of pens, I got more because I'm a stationery freak. And this is how they look like. So this is the red one, this is the blue one, and this is the multicolored one. This is perfect if you're going to college. You can just carry this, and then you have all the inks that are there. So red, blue and black. So I love this. And the last thing that I got is this eraser. Last thing in the stationery section that I got is this eraser because I'm just a freak. Like, I don't know why I get erasers. I don't even use them. But I'm an eraser collector. I love erasers. So I picked this one up and it looks so cute. And I don't want to use this because it looks really nice. But I'm still going to use this. So the next thing that I picked up is actually this calculator. And this is a very good looking calculator. Let me just tell you. And yeah, I'm just going to open up. And this is actually a silver colored calculator. It looks so pretty, and that's the only reason I got it, because it's pretty. And this is how it looks like. I just love how compact and sleek this is, and it looks so fashionable and stunning. That's the reason I got a calculator. And also my math sucks. That's why I got a calculator. So the next thing that I picked up are these cotton pads. I think I'm obsessed with cotton pads because I need them constantly. I'm just taking off my makeup so many times and I just run out of these so quickly, so that's why I got these. And these are supposed to be made of like nice cotton, so that's why I got these, because they are supposed to be very gentle as well. And yeah, so that's why I'm going to try these out. Okay, so the last thing that I picked up is actually 2 acrylic holders, and I really love them. And if you want acrylic holders, you should totally visit this store. So the first one that I have is this one, and I'm going to use this to keep all my makeup brushes. It's really cute and I love this. And this is the next one that I have. I'm basically going to use this to keep all my makeup as well, and I really love this. And the quality of these acrylic holders is really good. So this was the one that I picked up. This is the one that I'm going to use for makeup, and this is the second one that I got, which I'm going to use to keep all my makeup brushes. So I love these. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. And follow me on my social media and Snapchat as well. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. And subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.